Hi everyone, Deb here. Good morning or good afternoon, whatever, or good evening, whatever time of day it is for you. I have a very small Stampin' Up! Haul, and this is before the new annual catalog. I found these things on their website, and actually the paper I got is carried over into the new catalog, and that's what made me go look for it. And I didn't remember even seeing this before. So anyway, I got this Beauty of the Deep bundle because I do have an anchor, but I don't really have much coral and stuff. These are red rubber cling stamps, and there are 9 of them. And then the dies, you get a standalone coral, a couple of them here. This nice big one though, I really love that. Or sea, some kind of sea plant, right? I don't know if it's coral. This is definitely coral, and then these are like sea grasses and sea plants, whatever these are. And the dies are in here to cut all of those out as well as one fish. I don't know what kind of fish that is. I think this is called a sea urchin, right? And there's a die for that too. So, I don't have uh, an anchor that looks quite so dimensional, but I do have an older one that had a lighthouse and anchor and things in it, I think. So I like it, and I like the size of that one too. So I got that, and then I got this all sentiment, hope you know. Um, this and the day after that, I think that goes with thinking of you today, and the day after that, and the day after that, and the day after that, and so on. Truly, deeply grateful, wishing you comfort, just saying thank you doesn't seem like enough. I hope you know how much your kindness is appreciated. That goes to a lot of you. Thank you so much. You are the sunshine that brightens so many of my days. And may you find peace in the days to come and in the loving thoughts that surround you now. Miss you and hello, friend. So I thought it was a nice all-around sentiment stamp set. And I don't have too many like wishing you comfort and like this one, may you find peace, that kind of thing. And even this thank you is a nice sentiment. I have thank yous for sure, but I don't have one worded like that. So this is the paper. It is called Nature's, excuse me, Nature's Sweetness 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper. It has Pebbled Path, Pecan Pie, and Gold. Huh. I actually was looking at this last night, but my living room is kind of dark and stuff, so I thought it was copper, but it's gold, which is fine. So it's double-sided paper, and honestly, except for, well, I'll tell you which ones. I'll probably use this. I'll probably also use this as a background and make a nice masculine card for sure, or any kind of thing, right? So that's the reverse of it. But I love this one. Now there was a stamp set. I don't know if it carried forward or not, but I didn't get that. I think it had these pod thingies on it. I don't remember. I'm trying to see if that has words on it. It says figure. I can't read what that says. Yeah, there's little words on it. Figure B. I think it's supposed to be the name of whatever this is. Figure A. Yeah. I can't read that tiny print without my glasses for sure. But anyway, and then this one, sorry for the glare, is all gold with white. I'll definitely use that. And the reverse of it is this. Now see, oh, it's pecan pie. I was thinking it was copper clay. Okay. And these are the same flowers as in the other one, but it's just, it has the leaves, more leaves on it. No, they're not all the same. This is the same as this. Yeah, it is the same. It's the same flowers, but now we have more stuff in the background, which is the copper pecan pie, excuse me. So, I will use that, but more likely I'll use the gold side of that. And hang on, everything's falling as usual. I love this. This is typewritten with splotches of gold. like book page kind of thing. And I can actually read some of that. Tulips can be planted anytime in the fall. Observing. Anyway, you get the idea. And the back is pebbled path with flowers. Honestly, I might not use that. Although, that would actually be nice for a wedding card or something, because it's neutral and you could jazz it up with a little silver foil, I think would be nice, or white glimmer paper or something behind it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have some flowers that will go with this, even though it's not the one from the set. This is another gold page, which I'll definitely use. But the back of it is this scripty writing, which I can't read. A few little places I can read, but not much. And it has pebbled path and pecan pie splotches. No, it looks like the writing is in pecan pie and the splotches are in the gray. I don't have pebbled path, but I can use basic gray or something if I want to. I do have pecan pie and I love it. So in this one, I'll use both sides because I love both. And then the last ones, I think, are no, two more. This one is gold, like, crosshatch, but it's missing, like, where the splotches were on the other one kind of thing. It's whited out. Very nice for vintage, and I will probably use that side. I really don't love this. Yeah, just not. Yeah, I mean, you can color these and then they'd be prettier, I think. Well, so maybe I'll do one or two like that. I don't know, but I love this side with the gold crosshatch. And then this is Pebbled Path with gold writing, the gray. And this is the back, which is pecan pie like ledger sheet. And I'll probably use both of them, but I like this side the best with the font. So that is it. That's my small little haul. I'm sure if you follow Stampin' Up, you've probably all seen this already. Um, but for some reason, I hadn't. I missed it completely. I might have seen it in the catalog when it first came out and just decided against getting the bundle or the suite or whatever it was. And I don't know. When I saw this paper, I was like, yeah, I need that. So they're not my favorite flowers and stuff, which is why I didn't get the bundle. I'm not crazy about the pods. They look pretty here with the gold on though. But yeah, I'll definitely be using that. So that's my haul. I hope you enjoyed. And I did place an order. May 1st was the beginning of the new catalog. I didn't go as wild as I usually do. Because I budgeted myself this time, but expect to see all the 5 new in colors in ink pads. I did get those. So yeah, I caved, and I did get 1 or 2 bundles or stamp sets. And my demonstrator, because I placed an order, she has her own little rewards thing right now anyway. So I just told her what I would like for those too. So I'll have a few more things coming. That hasn't shipped yet, so I don't know. It usually takes 2 weeks because I don't do speed shipping because the shipping is already outrageous in my opinion. So it'll probably be sometime the week of the 13th before it arrives. So I'll show it to you when I get it. All right, take care. Hugs, love, and peace. I just thought I'd insert here that this paper was from the January to April mini catalog 2024. So the catalog is done. I somehow missed the paper. I got these adhesive back cork rounds, and I got the Notes of Nature bundle. That is retiring, I believe. Yes. But and I have that one and I love that one. So I'm sorry if you missed out on that. But Lovely and Sweet bundle, the bundle's retiring, but the stamp and dies are staying, and I did not get that one. So that matches the flowery and pod patterns in the paper. But, I don't really feel like I need it. There also was some gold leather trim and that retired. So this is where it was, and the paper carried over, which is amazing to me that it carried over, but it did. So you can still get the paper called Nature's Sweetness, and you can still get the Stampin' Dies Lovely and Sweet, and I think the rest of it all retired. Yep. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.